Students, this is your debrief session. We discuss day 8 and 9. First of all, in this chapter, we study about light. So in light is always reflect from or pass through any medium. So what do you mean by reflection? Reflection means when any light ray strike a smooth shining surface. After striking this surface and bouncing back in same medium, this is known as reflection of a light or reflection. So this is the another slide which indicate the reflection. For example, mountain reflect in a water. What do you mean by incident ray? Which ray, original ray, which is fall on the surface, shining surface, is known as incident ray, and which ray after striking move in a same plane is known as reflected ray, which is bouncing back is known as reflected ray. And there are two laws of reflection. Laws means rule. First is angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection, and second one is incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray lie in a same plane. So on this day we have a question: state the characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. So I was discuss about characteristics of a plane mirror. So now I give a solution. There are 4 characteristics. Write down. There are 4 characteristics. So question number 8 on your SB supplementary book 9. So we look image when a ray of light travel rare medium to denser medium. For example, you have a tub of water, and from air to water when a ray of light travel, then what happen? So when a ray of light travel rare medium to denser medium, it bend toward the normal. Normal is perpendicular. So another question is difference between reflection and refraction. Reflection means bouncing back, and refraction, it moves one medium to another medium, but direction will be changed. So in case of reflection, angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection, but in case of refraction, angle of incidence does not equal to angle of refraction. So students, if you have any problem related to reflection and refraction and law of reflection, you have to text me in my personal number on a WhatsApp. Then I have sort out your problem. Thank you.